Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites: a recovery drive created on another PC or an official Windows 10 installation, USB, and power. Plug the drive in now. You must set the PC to boot from that device, so reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI. Change boot order to prioritize USB or DVD. Make sure Secure Boot is off only if the media requires it. Once done, save settings and restart. You'll see the Windows recovery environment load. This kicks off the repair process. When the recovery environment appears, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. This gives you repair tools. Start with Startup Repair because it automatically fixes common boot problems. If that fails, use System Restore to revert to a known good restore point. This undoes recent system changes. For deeper issues, open Command Prompt and run bootrec commands to repair the master boot record and rebuild the BCD. These restore boot configuration. Make sure you check disk integrity with chkdsk if file systems look corrupted. Then reboot. After repairs, remove the recovery media and restart to verify Windows boots normally. If issues persist or you need a clean slate, use Troubleshoot Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files to preserve data or remove everything for a full reinstall. Make sure drivers update once you regain access. If the system still fails, check hardware. Reset SATA or NVMe drives and test the SSD on another machine. If hardware is fine, reinstall Windows from the installation media as the final step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.